such joyful sound.
1, 2, 3, 4, here we play!
Quacking, laughing all the way, waddle, waddle, splash in the sun. Counting together is so much fun. Woo! Three little ducks in the sparkling stream, floating gently like a happy dream. They dipped their beaks, they swam so free. Count with us, come sing with me.
1, 2, 3, quack, quack, quack!
The ducks march on and never look back, flapping wings and giggles too. A magical counting game for you. Two little ducks by the rainbow slide, they whooshed and splashed on the water ride. With twinkling stars above their heads, they waddled home to their cozy beds.
1, 2, just me and you!
Counting ducks in sky so blue, quack, 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 the day is done. But counting adventures are so much fun. Woo! One little duck gave a final cheer. Thanks for counting, friends, right here. All 5 ducks came back to play in a whimsical, magical way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray!
The duckies are here and they want to stay. Quack, 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 come join along. Our counting adventure ends with a song.